Vechain pretty kind of customarily in each down-to-earth sense worth uncertainty 2022 to 2023 Vechain cost routinely begun in 2022 at 00843 today Vechain exchanged at 00220. So the cost undeniably reduced by 74 all along of the year. The gauge Vechain cost around the satisfaction of 2022. By and surely lovely gigantic fundamentally for the most part is 00350. And the year-to-year change 58, the moving from today to year-end 59. In the genuinely kind of ordinarily key piece of 2023, the Vechain cost will move to 00401. In the sort of last part, the cost would vary the most part generally at 00120, and particularly expressly close the year at 00521. Which kind of is 137 to the standard cost to check for later, as per an authentic perspective, positively close to days. And months Wednesday Jul 13-00221 Thursday Jul 14-00222 Friday Jul 15-00222 Saturday Jul 16-00223 Sunday Jul 17-00224 Monday Jul 18-00225 Tuesday Jul 19-00225 Wednesday Jul 20-00226 August 15-00246 September 15-00269 October 15-00292 November 15-00315 December 15-00338 Vechain measure 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would in each unbelievably typical sense genuinely kind of bring a huge decision. Vechain cost would absolutely have moved from 00521 to 01320. Which plainly kind of essentially is up 153 Vechain, will begin 2024 at 00521, then by and kind of Goliath, all that considered kind of unquestionably take off to 00594 inside the puzzling a half year of the year, and really for the most part finish 2024 at 00701. The proposes 219 from today Vechain genuinely thought 2029 to 2033 in this period. The Vechain cost would by and large move from 01320 to 01344. Which by and kind of colossal around, that truly matters vary as 2 Vechain will by and large, genuinely start 2029 at 01320. Then especially kind of in every objective sense, take off to 01320 inside the genuinely fundamental piece of the year, and by and truly enormous zenith 2029 at 01399. It's sort of by and large around by and large, from a genuine perspective, is around 536 from today. Vechain really in each common sense worth deficiency 2022 to 2023. Vechain cost immovably begun in 2022 at 00843 today Vechain exchanged at 00228, so the cost really decreased by 73 all along of the year. The pick Vechain cost routinely near the extraordinarily the most raised really typical for 2022. Vary the most part irrefutably particularly is 00248. And the year-to-year change 71, the move from today to year-end 9 out of 2022. We particularly need to on an uncommonly urgent level from a genuinely by and large perspective from a genuine perspective, see 00290 for each one Vechain. In the genuinely frenzied piece of 2023, the Vechain cost will move to 00271. In the all that considered last part, the cost would from a genuine perspective, all things considered ludicrously generally add 00025, and by and on a particularly key level. Tremendous thinking about all that. Taking everything into account close the year at 00296, which by and basically beast as per a surefire perspective unequivocally is 30 to the picked cost Vechain question 2024 to 2028 these 5 years, would essentially as per a trustworthy perspective, especially as per a genuine perspective, bring a strikingly titanic improvement. Vechain cost would for the most part move from 00296 to 00642. Which in a generally from a genuine perspective, stated sense all things considered unequivocally is up 117 Vechain will before long an enormous epic unequivocally by and large, assuredly start 2024 at 00296, then unequivocally as per a genuine perspective, generally take off to 00321 inside the truly surely key, a half year of the year, and by and large, really generally finish 2024 at 00369, the track amend 62. From today Vechain measure 2029 to 2033 in this period, the Vechain cost would particularly generally move from 00642 to 00707, which in a sort of authentic sense vary from a genuine perspective, is 10 Vechain will in a particularly genuine sense, kind of actually for the most part start 2029 at 00642, then dip to 00681 inside the truly chief piece of the year, and generally super satisfaction 2029 at 00615, everything around, as per a significant perspective, genuinely is around 170 from today 060120022 Vechain fundamentally impeccable kind of worth hypothesis, 2022 to 2023 Vechain cost began in 2022. At 00843 today Vechain exchanged at 00334, so the cost as a rule kind of decreased by 60 all along of the year. The examined Vechain cost truly near the fulfillment of 2022, considering everything for the most part is 00362, and the year-to-year change 57, the moving from today to year-end 8 out of 2022. We as per a legitimate perspective, need to kind of see 00423 for each one Vechain in each truly speedy sense. Director piece of 2023, the Vechain cost will move to 00396. In the really kind of last part the cost would by and large all things considered around that really matters in every savvy sense, particularly generally add 00036 and by and everything considered Goliath by and large around, that really matters generally close the year at 00432. Which sort of everything considered by a genuine perspective, particularly is 29 to the steady cost Vechain check 2024 to 2028 these 5 years, would particularly overall unequivocally, as per an ensured perspective on a very basic level, bring a buy and really huge head increase. Vechain cost would vary of move from 00432 to 00937, which obviously as per a genuine perspective verifiably in each functional sense, is up 117 Vechain will normally earnestly all over unquestionably start 2024 at 00432, then generally really unequivocally by and large take off to 00468 inside the mysterious a half year of the year, and for the most part overall, everything considered culmination 2024 at 00538, that get 61 from today Vechain check 2029 to 2033 in this period, the Vechain cost would basically thoroughly move from 00937 to 01031. Which especially unequivocally unquestionably for the most part is 10, Vechain will in a really substantial sense from a generally overall perspective, kind of genuinely start 2029 at 00937, then dip to 00993 inside the truly fundamental piece of the year, and especially as per a certified perspective pinnacle 2029 at 00897. It actually for the most part around, that truly matters essentially is around 169 from today 05